Today's the day. We are finishing the Widebody Cullinan. This is the first 1016 Industries kit, slightly modified because it was a pre-production kit, as I explained previously. He's grinding up some custom grills because there's a lot of holes in this bumper we have to cover up. These are 3D printed meshes to copy the OEM style. Luis is making some for the bottom holes. Like I said, some of this bumper is experimental, but we're doing what we're doing to release the car. The bumper wasn't fitting. You guys already know, if you watched previous episodes, you would see a lot of progress on this thing. As you can see, the flare's on, sides are all on. All we have left are the front and rear bumper, and then we have some little black accents to wrap on it, but that's it. These are the black badge wheels. Those are obviously coming off. We have new RDB AERO signature wheels going on. Super excited to see that on the car. This car has over 100 millimeters wider than factory. So if you were to do a spacer in the back, you need 100 millimeters. That's 4 inches. That's like really big and unsafe, so you have to make wheels for it. But yeah, check this out. I mean, it literally looks flawless. It's amazing. Again, this white is a wrap. The top is factory paint, so black on white. All the details are gonna come together right now. It's a mess because we're trying to get this together. The rear bumper's over there and it looks amazing as well. I'll show you guys that right now. Look at this rear bumper's diffuser. This is all painted black, and then the white again is wrapped. And this is very hard to wrap, but we wrapped it really nicely, of course. This is gonna go on the back. That's the trunk spoiler over here. This is the trunk spoiler it's gonna go on. So a lot of stuff going down. And like I said, this is the first Cullinan with this kit in the world. So super excited about it. We're pre-ordering the production kits. We're gonna be doing a lot of these coming next month. There's another one already on order, so a lot more to go. But yeah, stay tuned.
This one's come out like perfect, you know? I love this.
Because you did it?
No.
Oh.
Don't make me get mad. It's not me gonna get mad.
Oh, guys, we are back at our old gray wall location, we call it. We had to come out here. This is about 1.5 miles longer than where we normally drive at the new shop, but we are nearby our old location. Simply because this is a special car, we wanted to film it here. Right now, you are seeing this Widebody Cullinan, one of one, the first 1016 Industries. This was the pre-production kit, explained it a few times. You saw it in a few previous YouTube episodes of us modifying, making this kit work. Honestly, there was too much work on this thing to make it happen, but we did it. Luis put a lot of hard work into this car, made that front bumper fit, which was nearly impossible. Literally had to cut out the front of it, make his own pieces, all for it to fit. And even the front, we had to do some different stuff to the front to make it work. The production version of it is going to be a little slightly different in the front, but I think it looks really nice. The flares fit amazingly well. Rocker panels, all of it looks really well. And check out these brand new RDB Signature AERO wheels. 24-inch, obviously. 26s obviously look bigger and better on this car, but 24s are the safer method. Right now we have it in low mode. Very good tire on it. When you go 26s, you're only left with a very bad tire option. So 24s. The RDB Signature wheel has the same design in the middle, as you can see, but the outer lip right here, we made this AERO design, those little square pockets. Kind of, the AERO is kind of like a trend right now, so we went with that just to add it. We didn't want to ruin the look. A lot of people are doing a lot of funky stuff. This still looks clean in my opinion. This is a dual block wheel, so it's a 2-piece wheel. This whole outer section is 1 piece and the back barrel is another piece. Super wide, super concave. I've never seen a wheel that concave with that floating cap in the middle. Honestly, looks incredible. This car is a two-tone look. As you can see, the top half is black. The bottom is wrapped in this beautiful white color. White is wrap, black is paint. Honestly, we did this look because the Cullinan two-tone looks really nice. The back section has a full bumper replacement. Obviously, we did a few Novatechs. The Novatech only has a little diffuser in the back, and the back flares do this little scoop thing that kind of cheapens the look of it. We were only left with that option because Novatech has been very popular, quickly available for the Cullinans. But now there's this new option. This is going to be the biggest option for this car. It's going to be available when you call us and say, hey, I want to wide body my Cullinan. We can get you in right away, knock it out in a week, 2 weeks. Something like that, and you're ready to roll with a Widebody Cullinan. But yeah, we're super excited to finish up this car. Yeah, we hope you enjoy it. Let us know if you have a Cullinan, you want to do a wide body. Let us know if you want to order the AERO wheels. You could do this for any car, any size, whatever you want. We get that too, so hit us up. I want to go find that car, whatever that was.
So Sarkis was at court. He's not in a good mood. He's a little upset because he probably lost the case, or I don't know, he had to pay money. But this is his maybe 100th ticket so far. And what are we, in June?
He lost the case. Okay. Using his cell phone and refusing to give his driver's license.
Why would you refuse to give your license?
Hey, go eat Arby's.
Oh, he has to pay $800 something dollar fine.
Bumper?
Yeah, but he has 90 days to pay it, so he can pay like a payment plan. $90.
Bro, they charge another $35 for that. Why it's $900 my ticket?
Because you got 7 cell phone tickets.
You know what's really the most amazing thing to me is that with us, he's the king of arguing and trying to weasel his way out. Shit.
Yeah.
He tried to do that with the judge.
No, he didn't.
No, I didn't argue. I just told him, like, can I get an extension? He's like, yes, but it's gonna be $35 more. I told him that's why I'm getting extension because I don't have money.
You went there just to do the extension?
Yeah, the payment extension. Bro, it's like $900 for a cell phone. That's crazy.
Then why do you have wheels on your car and you can't pay $90 for a ticket? Maybe don't buy the wheels and then pay for the ticket. No, you don't understand how the story is. He was driving a customer car without a bumper, got pulled over without plates.
You wrong. I was testing the customer's car.
Okay.
Because the customer car, so there was distance.
Just send the customer the ticket.
I know, that's what I'm gonna do.
That's the ticket, it's your cell phone.
If you're testing the car, you have to look at the dash, right? Why are you looking at your phone?
Not a dash. It's a distance sensor. Whenever you get close, it wasn't beeping. So the customer was complaining like, how come it's not beeping, this and that? So I told him, okay, you know what? Bro, we tried like 30 million times driving the car, and then with one of our bottom and forgot to unplug it.
And then when the cop tells you give me your driver license, don't say no to him, bro.
Why not?
He's the law.
Please, it's not the law. Please obey the law. Number one, always. Just came to work, 2 minutes. 1016 body kit, number one.
He didn't sold a 1060 body kit. He sold a Tech Art exhaust, and right now, what'd you sell? A repair on the 1060, not a full kit. The kit's on there,
No,
but it's
we're
not
gonna
fitting right.
no, we're gonna take it out. If it breaks, we have to buy it.
Okay, so you're gonna repair a kit that's already on there.
Doesn't matter. I'm selling a 1016.
He's not selling a 1016 kit.
Of course I am
Someone
selling
please tell him the car already has 1016 kit on
Okay, we're gonna take it out. It breaks, so we have to buy another
No,
one.
it doesn't break when you take it off.
Of course.
Hey, hold on. Is this the car that has another kit on it?
No, it has 1016. He got an email that your 1016 kit is not fitting right because obviously we didn't do it, so it's coming here, so we do it correctly. So that's technically fixing someone's up.
That's not selling a kit.
That's not selling a kit. Thank you.
You guys are losers.
No.
I love it. So this GTR, you guys know this was previously recorded. This was the monster that had 1500 horsepower. I know a little bit about it. So on this thing, we did springs on it, lowering springs. We also did Advan wheels wrapped around with Toyo Proxy R888 tires. It's amazing, looks good. You guys can see for yourselves. I think these wheels look so much better than the other ones. And the lowering makes the car look really nice. I like it.
So you no longer could use that 1500 horsepower now.
Oh, because of the tires.
That had full traction. This is probably not gonna have full traction, but it does look much more like a street car now. So he also is adding more stuff coming in, and I don't know when this car's ever gonna be done. It's probably one of those cars that he gets and just plays with and doesn't do anything. So
It looks nicer though. I like it.
yeah.
I'm excited. Game 4 of the Golden State Warrior game tonight. NBA Finals Game 4. I hope the Warriors win. They're down 2-1. I have a good feeling they're gonna win tonight. We have this Dodge SRT Hellcat here. Why are you laughing? This car is in here for brakes. So we're doing brakes right now. We are almost done. This thing comes with Brembo brakes. So we're waiting for some brakes to show up. Fronts are done. We're waiting for the rears. Put this thing together, test drive it. Customer's on his way to pick it up. All right, so we have the rear pads. They just came in for the SRT. We're gonna finish it up right now. Customer should be here any second actually, so we have to hurry up a little bit.
He's not about to be here.
He is.
Oh.
Isn't he coming at 4?
Yes, that.
You see? There's a problem at this fucking shop. Everyone thinks someone's making things up. I'm telling you, he has to be here at 4 o'clock. The guy is coming. So we should be done. We're gonna go for a quick test drive, make sure it's good. You shouldn't give a car back to a customer, especially when you're doing a brake job, without test driving the car. It's very wrong.